Cascades Female Factory is a very special place. People from across the globe are tied to this site through the themes it represents, the stories, families, histories. It is an important site to not only reflect on our past, but our shared future.
I doubt there's a woman in Australia who doesn't have strong women forebears, because surviving in a world that is so male-dominated and where the power sits so differently takes either quiet endurance or enormous courage and strength.
We have learnt from them to be persistent and to be resilient.
If I had a chance to talk to Bridget, I'd really like to make her aware of the so much good that's come out of her life.
She did the best she could with what she had, and we need to learn from those lessons. We need to make sure that today we have good health services, including good mental health services, that we give a voice to women.
It's very rare to find somebody who had an easy time of it, but yet we've come from that.